Troubleshooting AWS Amplify DataStore is a crucial step in ensuring the reliability and performance of your application. To start, it is essential to understand the basics of AWS Amplify DataStore, which is a data storage system that allows you to store and manage data in the cloud. First, identify the issue you are experiencing, whether it is data not being saved, data not being retrieved, or data being inconsistent. Once you have identified the issue, check the DataStore configuration to ensure it is set up correctly. Verify that the DataStore is enabled and that the correct permissions are in place. Next, check the application logs to see if there are any error messages that can help you identify the issue. Look for errors related to data storage, networking, or authentication. If you are using a JavaScript application, you can use the browser console to view error messages. Another step is to verify that the data is being sent correctly to the DataStore. Use the AWS Amplify DataStore API to verify that the data is being saved and retrieved correctly. You can use the DataStore API to query the data and verify that it is consistent. Additionally, check the network connectivity to ensure that the application can communicate with the DataStore. Verify that the device or server has a stable internet connection and that there are no firewall rules blocking the connection. It is also essential to monitor the DataStore performance and latency. Use the AWS CloudWatch metrics to monitor the performance and latency of the DataStore. This can help you identify if the issue is related to the DataStore or the application. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, try resetting the DataStore or reinstalling the AWS Amplify library. This can help resolve any issues related to the DataStore or the library. In conclusion, troubleshooting AWS Amplify DataStore requires a step-by-step approach. By identifying the issue, checking the configuration, logs, and network connectivity, and monitoring performance, you can quickly resolve issues and ensure the reliability and performance of your application. Best practices include regularly checking the DataStore configuration, monitoring performance, and testing the application thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected.